My name is Kyle Dreger, and I became a lawyer, specifically a criminal defense lawyer, for a couple reasons. First, as a college athlete playing baseball, I really enjoy being challenged. I really enjoy going to bat for somebody on one specific issue that's usually pretty difficult in their lives. And then second, in law school I spent a little bit of time doing prosecution work, but it was when I became a defense lawyer and started working with the public defender's office and a private criminal defense firm where I really started to enjoy working for that specific client. I'm not working for the state of Minnesota. I have an individual who is putting a lot of onus on me to help them. They have this big problem in their life and are leaning on me to be the one to take care of them. The area of law that I'm an expert in would be criminal defense, but more specifically, I'm an expert in DWIs. There's a lot of things that go on with a DWI case, from the license side of the case, the criminal side, and the forfeiture side of the case. So DWIs alone are what makes me an expert. The one case that I can point to where it feels very, very good to come out on top was I had a client who lost her son in the war. She was driving his car, maybe the only thing really attached to him anymore in her life. She was pulled over for the DWI. The car was forfeited. She was losing her license. It was a lot to handle at one point. We were able to contest the stop of the vehicle, won that at the district court. The state of Minnesota appealed that. We won at the Court of Appeals, and all told, she got her vehicle back, and she was able to get her license back and was not criminally punished, did not have anything go on her record. So it was the ultimate home run for all three cases. People always ask, how can we defend somebody who we know is guilty? But first and foremost, before we go into that, it's important to remember that one of the most important aspects of the criminal justice system is the right to be presumed innocent, where the state actually has to prove you guilty. So one of the big things we handle as defense lawyers is making sure that constitutional procedural issues are followed and making sure that our clients' rights aren't violated. What makes us different here at the Gerald Miller Law Firm is the amount of effort we're going to put in and how much we care about each client we have. I know that sounds easy and that would be the expectation. However, we've heard from many clients, many people who have had previous lawyers who they don't feel like they were taken serious. As a collegiate baseball player, one of the main things that I focused on was my preparation. Hard work, everyone is going to put in hard work. But you had to prepare, and you had to have focus and the drive to make sure that even when the odds weren't necessarily in our favor sometimes, when you walked up to the batter's box or went out on that mound, you felt comfortable in an uncomfortable spot, and you felt that your preparation is going to put you in a good spot to succeed.